The 2025 Ford Excursion makes a bold statement with its redesigned exterior and interior. The 2025 Ford Maverick just dropped officially from behind the facelift curtain with obvious design and feature improvements, plus an option requested by everyone, AWD in combination with the hybrid powertrain. The front fascia features a massive chrome grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, exuding both strength and sophistication. A robust bumper with integrated fog lights and a skid plate enhances its rugged appeal. The 2025 Ford Excursion is available in several trims to suit different preferences and budgets. The base XL trim starts at around $75,000, offering a comprehensive range of standard features. For those seeking a more luxurious experience, the Platinum trim is available for close to $95,000. The limited trim strikes a balance, providing a mix of luxury and value for discerning buyers. The interior of the 2025 Excursion would cater to comfort and technology. Expect a 12-inch or larger infotainment touchscreen with SYNC4, Ford's latest infotainment system, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice controls. Advanced safety features, likely to include Ford Co-Pilot 360 technology, offering pre-collision assist, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. Premium comfort options. For upper trims, Ford might offer leather upholstery, heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic sunroof, and dual-zone or tri-zone climate control to enhance passenger comfort. The Ford Excursion, last produced in 2005, was renowned for its robust performance and towing capabilities. The 2005 model offered multiple engine options. 5.4L V8 gasoline engine delivered 255 horsepower and 358 pound-foot of torque, with a towing capacity ranging from 6,100 to 7,600 pounds, depending on the drivetrain configuration. 6.8L V10 gasoline engine produced 310 horsepower and 425 pound-foot of torque, supporting a towing capacity between 9,600 and 10,000 pounds. 6.0L V8 Power-Stroke diesel engine generated 325 horsepower and 568 pound-foot of torque, enabling a maximum towing capacity of 11,000 pounds. In terms of acceleration, the 2005 Excursion equipped with the 6.0L diesel engine achieved a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of approximately 10.4 seconds.